Hey, Mark Rice here. And you know what? The purpose of the creativity is not a goal, it's a journey. So let's enjoy this journey together in the final part of the game design. Okay, beautiful you. First of all, I want to thank you because you are the part of this journey. This is my favorite project so far. It's not the best I've done so far, but it's the most first project I did with all of you. And I'm so proud of it. I'm so inspired to make more projects with a beautiful, gigantic community. And I want to tell you that you're so creative person, every one of you. So don't forget that you are so unique and your ideas are beautiful. You just need to practice and to work on your skills. I created my first character 2 years ago. Just 2 years. My English language was zero, but I didn't give up on my dreams. I created first YouTube channel, Zipa. It was just an experiment, and I shared my first drawing with the people. At that moment, I follow my dreams. And if I can, you can as well. Believe me. I'm not better than you at all, I just practice a little more. I'm trying to improve my skills a little more. And that's it, I will not lie to you. It was very hard at the beginning. At that moment, my little son was born. I didn't have the money. I had to leave my clients because of my drinks. But now I'm so proud on that period of my life. Even now it can be difficult, but I live my dream. I'm enjoying my journey. When you have difficult moments, it just means that you need to learn something new and be better than the difficult moment. Some things is hard for someone, but the same thing is easy for another person. Another person just knows a little more than the first one. It's the same way with the money. It's the same way with the drawing and creativity. You need just to change something. You are already incredibly creative. You just need to improve yourself and your skills. So, draw every day, watch motivational videos and meditate. Don't look the problem as a problem, look it as a challenge to improve yourselves. That's the life, like a river. If you are trying to stand at one place in a river, it's very hard. But if you move in the direction of the river, it's easy and fun. The life is teaching us through difficult moments. So when it's hard for you, it means that you need to learn something new and keep moving. This is a very important lesson if you want to express your creativity. Man, you just need to keep learning and explore, nothing more. Okay, people, as you can see, the game cover is great. I decided to go without the name, make it a mystery. If you want to continue with the story, you can download the vector files from the video description. Next week I plan to make a few Q&A videos, so prepare your questions. And stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace.